Hello guys, hope you're doing so well today. Alright, so welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure, where we can learn, we can having fun, and we can do something awesome with drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw a grape. Wow, as everyone knows, this fruit is really delicious. Alright, so let's get started, and you guys take any pencil, crayon, or everything you have at home, then let's go together. Alright, and the beginning I will use this color, alright, to start the draw. So this one will be the base color, I guess. So yeah, alright, so you can follow me guys. Then we start with the shape of the grape. Alright, so to make not complicated, we need to draw the overall of the grape shape looks like. So start with this, something like this, so you can follow me. So you can go like this, alright, then you can go like this, so like to curve, and then after that we go like this again. Okay, so basically a three curve over here, then the last one like this, right? Okay, as you can see, we have this. It's basically the same thing, the other side. So we need to copy this shape guys, the three curved line here, right? So we start like around, we guess around here, right? We go like something like this. Okay, then we go to something like this, all right, and then the other one we go to something like this. Okay, as you can see, we have this shape. Then the next one, we can make sure like give a bit bold line over here, so you can do like this guys, right? You can do like this. No need to be perfect. The point here is you guys learned something today, how to draw the grape, right? Also, I will tell a little bit about the benefit of eating grape, because I also study what's the benefit of the grape, and then what's the good thing about the grape, then I can share with you guys. Alright, you can do like this, right? As you can see, we have like a bold line here compared with before. So now we going to the next one, is the leaf on the top here. Okay, so if you have green color at home, wow, that will be perfect guys. Right? So of course everything will be good if we have many colors, right? So to start with the leaves, I think we need to draw something like this guys. So you can just follow me. So you can start like this, right? Then go like this again. After that you can give something like this, then curve like this, right? All right, okay, don't be afraid, you can guys just draw. All right, looks great, right? Looks pretty nice for me at least, right? Then we have a small gap here, so I will just close like this. Okay, so all right, so like this, you can go like this, right? Okay, all right, then now I can give a color a little bit to the leaves here. I think I will give some bold line over here, so it will be more clear. Right now I will go to the light green guys. If you at home have this color, then feel free to use it. If you don't have, you can just watch this, and you have I personally love you to prepare the color guys, because it will be more attractive, the color with the color, and the result also in the end will be more beautiful, of course. All right. Right. Okay. Right. Speaking about our grape, so this grape have so many benefits, Okay, right. One of the benefit is this grape, it will be makes you how to say, because this grape have a lot of water, then it will keeps your body feels like stay hydrated and then not feel thirsty. Okay, this is good for you guys. Then also, right. Okay, then all right guys, then I think we can continue to give the ice at the middle here. So I will be start like this, so you guys can follow me at home. So you can give to something like this. All right. Okay, then go to something like this again. All right, as you can see, we have this circle over here, right? Two circle to indicate the ice. All right. Okay, looks pretty good. So now I think you can give also the eyebrow to make more cute. Of course, you can. Right. Okay, now we're going to give beautiful mouth here, like the cute one. So it's something like this. Right. Okay, then I will add something here, like eyes also, guys. So will be something like this. Ta-da! Right. Okay. All right. Then this one also here. Okay. Right. You can see already, right? We have eyes here. Then to make it more looks more cute, even cute. So we add this like the shame feeling, like cute feeling, have this kind of color usually. So I will add this here, and also I will add this like this, right? Oh wow, looks great. Looks cute, right? Okay, so in the next step, you guys can give a color to inside the grape. So I suggest you to go with this color. I think we can go with the light color. Purple, but a little bit light. So we can go like this. Okay guys, you just follow me. Right, enjoy the process of the coloring, because coloring is really good for you, for me also, at least, because I like the coloring. It's really fun process. All right. Okay, so speaking about the grape also, guys, this grape is really good, have so many benefits, and also vitamin for your body, to keep your body health, of course. So if you guys go to the groceries and then you see like some grape over there, don't hesitate to buy, and then you eat with your family at home. All right. Okay. Oh, starting looks pretty nice, right? So you guys can follow me like this. All right. Okay. Oh, looks great now. Looks great already. Bright. Okay guys. Okay. Right. Hope you guys learned something today, and hope you guys also follow this video until here. Right. Okay. The next one, I will give this like the darker color. So I want to give something like, oh, this is to indicate this is grape. So more like this. right, more like this, and then also here it will be like this. Okay, right, right, then here also like this. Right, looks better now. Okay, okay, all right. You can give this kind of line, guys. All right, so it will be looks beautiful, right? Okay, all right, you can see this. Okay, right, yes, it's almost done. Looks beautiful, right? Okay, guys, hope you follow until now. Right, okay, all right. I think the next one, the last one, I will give the dark one for the green to give the, you know, like a branch over here. So I will give this line here, then also I will give something like this, so you can just follow like this, and then like this, and then do something like this. So this one will be more, you know, beautiful, right? Okay, guys, I think that's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys learned something today, and see you again for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment in the comment section what you guys think, what fruit you want to draw the next. So, and that's it. See you and bye bye. Thank you, guys.